Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make Brazilian pudding. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1 can of condensed milk, 1 can of evaporated milk, and 3 large eggs. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for that perfect flavor. For the caramel, have 1 cup of sugar ready. A round baking mold, about 8 inches in diameter, will also be necessary for this delicious dessert. Let's get started. Now, let's create that beautiful caramel base. In a medium saucepan, melt 1 cup of sugar over medium heat. Stir it continuously to prevent burning and ensure even melting. Watch as it transforms into a rich, golden brown liquid. Once it reaches this perfect color, carefully pour the hot caramel into your round baking mold. Swirl the mold gently to coat the bottom and sides evenly. This forms the delicious, sweet layer for our pudding. Next, we'll prepare the creamy pudding mixture. In a blender, combine the can of condensed milk, the can of evaporated milk, and the 3 large eggs. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract to enhance the flavor profile. Blend all these ingredients together until the mixture is completely smooth and uniform. Ensure there are no lumps, creating a silky texture. This perfectly blended mixture is what will become our delightful Brazilian pudding. Finally, it's time to bake our pudding. Carefully pour the smooth pudding mixture over the cooled caramel in your prepared mold. Place the mold into a larger baking pan, then fill the larger pan with hot water to create a water bath. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 60 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted comes out clean. Chill thoroughly for at least 4 hours. When ready to serve, invert onto a plate. Also, check the description for a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.